And we've got breaking news coming in just as the Delhi NCR air quality has hit a historic high in terms of severity. Offices have now been ordered by the Delhi government to work at half their strength only. That's right, measures that are part of the graded response to this historic pollution. 50% of office staff in private as well as government offices have been ordered to work from home. All government and private offices in Delhi will be operating at 50% capacity. The rest will have to work from home. I want to bring in NDTV's Tejshri for more on this. Tejshri, put this into context for us. How will this be enforced? When does this start from? And has this ever happened before?
Well, absolutely. GREB 4 has been implemented in stage 3, keeping in mind the manner in which the air quality index is continuously stooping to its lowest level in the national capital. And not just that, but also PM 2.5 and PM 10. They both are continuously rising. And keeping in mind all these points, the Delhi government has now taken this decision where they have issued a notice where not just government offices but also the private offices will be working with a capacity of 50%. That means 50% of the staff will be working from home. That will be work from home for them, and 50% of the officials, the employees, will be working from office. Of course, this does not applies to all those offices that comes under the umbrella of necessity. But apart from that, it will be a mandate for the government offices and the private offices as well, because we have been seeing that how the people of the national capital are compelled to breathe in such a toxic atmosphere, because we have been seeing that it is not just this year, but as we inch closer towards November or December, every year we have to face this problem. But this year we have been witnessing that how continuously the air quality index is falling from poor to very poor and now to severe category, which also is hazardous to our health as well.